Good morning from Lahangan, sweet.
Yeah, good morning.
This night we've been sleeping like 30 times 15 minutes because there was really strong wind and it was blowing straight in our tents, and our tents was like a sails. It was like during the night I was sleeping and I had a feeling that someone accidentally sitting on my head, but it was just wind blowing into the tent and pushing that tent on my head. And everybody got the same experience except Luca. Luca said that was amazing. But Luca always is, for Luca everything is really good, so he's a kind of person. Two dives done. Today we did sign mount with Alex. Yeah, you know that I've been talking about that so many times. I'm not going to repeat. Sign mount is at a little bit different level. It's giving you that buoyancy. It's definitely one of my favorite types of the equipment what I have been trying. That's one of the equipments which I'm using most. Comparing to anything else. This couple of days been pretty busy, like starting with the Agong hike, straight next day diving and going to Lahangan suite, staying a night in a tent where I wasn't actually really able to sleep because the wind was really strong. But anyways, everybody survived, everybody did diving today, everybody's happy. Someone will go for the night dive as well. I will not go, I will edit video. Yesterday, by the way, was the first time in this 360 episodes when I was editing video not at home but actually at Lahangan suite while sitting in my tent. I cannot say it was really comfortable. Definitely it's more comfortable to do it at home, but it was interesting experience. Maybe it will be useful for the future when I will travel and will edit my episode somewhere in the middle of the jungle where the electricity is produced by some generator only a couple of hours a day. A lot of things been happening, starting with the sunrise and finishing with some good diving at Marina Wreck. That been a while when I was there last time. A little bit more fishes than previously, just normal. Yeah, happy about that place. All right, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.